make noise, even if it is not Atwoli. There are 5,000 employees being declared redundancies. The affiliates of Kotu will make noise. Even if I try to keep quiet, our affiliates are free, independent, and they can address a press conference at any time. You would have heard it, even if it is not from me. That is propaganda of the highest order to instill fear in our negotiators when it comes to renewing terms and conditions of service. And 50 companies or several companies to move out of Kenya, you will know. Because those people who are serviced by those companies will make complaint. The consumers, even if it is not us. And the Federation of Kenya employers must stop propaganda. They know very well that under the International Labour Organization, that it operates through tripartite arrangement. Government, employers themselves, and workers. And whenever we are going to Geneva, the person or the organ that heads the delegation is the government through the Minister of Labour. So there is no way an employer or a worker can divorce himself from the government. Unless if you are a political party. Court is not a political party. Court represents workers. And there is no way in any manner that we can go to unconstructive, non-constructive politics like what is going on several formations. How many formations have we seen? So many formations started when Section 2A was removed in our constitution. In 1992, you remember, the most powerful one of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, the father of Raila, Masinde Muliro, Matiba, and so many others who are there, Paul Muite. There was the highest, Charles Rubia the late. This was the strongest formation. Did it remove Moi from power? No. I was in Azimio. We had the largest formation than what they want to form now. Kalonzo Musyoka was there. All these tendencies were Wamalwa. Wamalwa is me who removed him from Ruto. And I gave him to Uhuru Kenyatta. And Uhuru Kenyatta made him a minister. Change, son. So I'm telling you, all these types of formations we are seeing, these are self-decorating formations. Some for collecting money from sympathizers and what have you. But let come elections. You and me and Kenyans know very well, if Kenyan politics was being decided on issues, today Atwoli will be the president of the Republic of Kenya. Kenya's politics is twinned and pegged on ethnicity. Once you organize tribes, we had Moi for 24 years. In the whole of central Kenya, it was only Kamodo who was speaking out. It was only Kamodo who was supporting Moi. If you don't know, the Secretary General of Kano. And I was there. You were there, most of you were adults. Moi left another day. Did central Kenya remove Moi from power? Is there anybody in central Kenya who was more powerful than Njindo Matimba? From Embassy Home in Murang'a, Charles Wanyoike Rubia. Not these people, they are just joking. Have we had anybody on political scene, an organizer, Chirude politicians than Raila? Has he become a president at any given time? His father, who was a Chirude organizer, left government in 1966. He died another day. Was he made a president by Kenyans? What about Masinde Muliro in Western Kenya? What about Paul Joseph Gay? You want to tell me Kalonzo Musyoka is more powerful in the campaign than Paul Joseph Gay? I saw Gay myself with APP, African political party. When we were going for elections, did Gay become a president? We have had organizers like the late Mulu Mutisia. Kalonzo Musyoka is a product of Mulu Mutisia right away from the university. He didn't make himself, he did not make himself a politician. He was nominated in Kanu's position. And he was always pro-government. Up to today, whenever Kalonzo is, he considers himself as a person who is inside government. Because that is how he was brought up. Who else? Can you tell him Matiang'i can be a president of the Republic of Kenya? I have worked with Matiang'i. Matiang'i is a tax collector. More than William Samoei Ruto, I know him. Huh? When we were in Azimio and we were living, Matiang'i did not even campaign for Raila. He did not stand up. He did not appear anywhere supporting Raila. They were busy in the office of the president making money. I know them, I was there. Rigathi, another day, he was saying me and Murale. There is those clips are there. Who is Atwoli? And when we paid a courtesy call to the president on 14th of February 2023 at the State House, Rigathi told Ruto, off. Why are you meeting workers? They did not support us. It is not our duty to support whoever we want to support. He said off. These people didn't have, they didn't support us. They have not any slightest share in this government, workers. He also dismissed you people of the press. Today he's your darling. He dismissed the press. And during Labor Day last year, he refused. I invited him to come and have lunch with workers. Rigathi refused. He's not pro-workers. We know him and we will fight him. We will fight him. I will make sure we fight him.
So you're saying these discussions that Rigathi Gachagua has started about the payslip,
yeah,